back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is in the customer service field, but it is with a large, well known company, and also they don't really quite require any experience at all. They are going to give you the training, so this is going to be perfect for those of you who are trying to just get your foot in the door in the work from home field space and get that training and experience so you have that to put on your resume to move on to bigger and better jobs. The links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below. But the huge office supply company Staples, they're hiring a customer service specialist. Now, you'll notice on the job thing, it says this job is available in 2 locations. See all. When you hit see all, it says any location, remote United States. So it does not look like they have any state restrictions. They are paying $17 an hour. Of course, they're looking for someone to work the shift of 10:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Now, training will be earlier for the first 3 to 4 weeks. But they are looking for someone to do basic customer service. You'll be answering customer inquiries to learn about and address their needs, complaints, or any other issues they have with products or services. And maybe they placed an online order and need updates, something to those effects. Focus on first call resolution by responding efficiently and accurately to them, explaining all their possible solutions so that they feel heard, supported, and valued. You'll utilize software databases, scripts, and tools appropriately. So you're not just going into this blindly. They are going to have help articles that you can pull up that will help you help the customer. They'll also have some scripts for you to read from, so you're not just trying to figure out what to say on your own. You'll be taking part in training and other learning opportunities as needed. Now, of course, their standard just basic qualifications is a high school diploma or GED. Have a flexibility to work within those hours. You may need to be able to work some weekends and holidays. Somebody who can work in Microsoft Office, Excel, the internet, those types of things. Someone who has great communication skills and can be a problem solver and multitasker. That is all that is required for this actual position. No experience is actually required. Now, they do have some preferred qualifications, and preferred qualifications would be some kind of customer service or call center experience, but again, that is preferred and not actually required. Now, they do offer a standard benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. I am trying to keep things mixed up on the channel with some non-phone, some beginner-friendly customer service, data entry, all types of things. So please leave anything you would like to see down below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.